Welcome to Industrial Machines Uganda, a 10-ton per hour animal feed plant in Uganda. Smart or crazy? Here is why it is smart. Opportunity, impact, and growth. Just a few decades ago, animal feeds were not a top concern. There was plenty of land, chicken and cattle roamed freely. But things have since changed. Today, Uganda's population is booming. Land is shrinking. The demand for meat, milk, and eggs is rising faster than ever before. Free-range methods alone can no longer meet this demand. We need structure, we need efficiency, we need quality feed. According to the World Bank and UN Habitat, Uganda's population is growing by 5% each year, putting pressure on traditional food systems. Data from Helgai Library shows the average Ugandan consumes 13 eggs per year, compared to over 300 in developed countries like Japan. Massive opportunity. Similarly, poultry meat consumption remains low, highlighting a significant opportunity to meet the rising demand through enhanced feed production. This is where modern animal feeds plant come into play. With Industrial Machines Uganda's support, Binska Enterprises' vision became reality, working hand in hand for 8 months from concept to commissioning. Alongside Goyam Group India, we provided end-to-end services, expert consultancy, sourcing and supply of world-class machinery, precision installation, rigorous testing, and dependable maintenance support. Every bolt tightened, every motor tested, every pipe fitted, piece by piece, a dream factory was built, ensuring efficiency, reliability, and scalability for years to come. Why wouldn't you want to work with such a competent and skilled team? Our contacts are right below this video. Today, this fully operational 10-ton per hour feed plant stands as a symbol of excellence, capable of producing a wide range of animal feeds, from poultry to cattle, with consistent quality and high output. Can you imagine? This is not even enough to satisfy the present market in Uganda. Big opportunity of investment. It's not just a plant, it's a game changer for farmers, businesses, and the broader Ugandan economy. At Industrial Machines Uganda, we turn ambitious ideas into solid success stories. Whether you are in Uganda, East Africa, or beyond, we are your trusted partner for consultancy, machine supply, factory installation, preventive maintenance, and genuine spare parts. Your investment deserves a team committed to excellence every step of the way. Let's create something extraordinary together. From vision to reality, Industrial Machines Uganda is helping you achieve your